Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Uncharted 4 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the sensitivity settings for your controls. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game on your device, and once you have selected your game, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, click on Options, and now within the Options page, just click on Controls. Now when you press Control, you will see various different options that you can change. At the very beginning, you will find the mouse sensitivity. You can change the sensitivity for your aim by increasing or decreasing the value on the slider. If you increase the value, this will increase your sensitivity, and if you decrease your value, then this will decrease your sensitivity as well. After this, you can change the camera sensitivity too, and if you wish to change the sensitivity setting for the horizontal and vertical axes differently, then you may do this as well. The mouse smoothing option will simply smooth your movement whenever you're using mouse as your input device. Underneath this, you can also change the sensitivity for your controller on both the aim as well as camera sensitivity menus. You also have the option to decrease or increase your aim assist value. Once you are done changing all of your sensitivity settings, just go back and your changes will have been saved. After this, you can simply continue with your game with your newly defined sensitivity settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the sensitivity settings on the Uncharted 4 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.